we'll do your right ear first, because that's the one that's causing you most problems. Let's get a good suction grip there, and hopefully I can tease it out in one go. So he says. There's a lot of dead skin as well, so we've got to peel the layers off.
Right.
There we are, that's what's come out of your ear.
What's coming out my ear? Oh my god.
It's a lot of wax, but also dead skin.
Yes.
Combination. Wax is actually made up of dead skin as well.
Okay.
So let's re-examine your ear. Let's see if we've got all of this out for you. Now you've still got a bit more.
Well, what causes the build up of wax like that in the ear?
So wax generally comes out by itself.
Yeah.
It migrates outwards. But if you've got a narrow auditory canal, if you've got twists and bends in the ear canal, it gets clogged up. If you wear hearing aids, if you poke in your ears, dead skin there. Yeah, your eardrum's okay, it's intact.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
If you've got loads of hairs in the ear, the wax gets matted against it.
Yeah.
There's a number of reasons.
Yeah.
I just got a feeling this has been there for a long time. Your ear canal's slightly angular, it's more like an oval shape.
Yeah.
Which generally is for most people, but yours is a bit more so. So it could be getting clogged up at the top and bottom where it narrows.
Yeah.
So what we'll do, we'll stand you up, I'll turn the chair around and we'll get your left ear sorted as well.
Yeah.
But it's as simple as that.
Yeah, but I mean, when you see it like that, it's only a very small amount, but it so affects your hearing.
Yeah, it does. When it occludes the ear canal, so there's no air or sound travelling through, it can cause a whole host of systems. They're actually quite large lumps, actually.
Yeah. Your voice is actually rebounding now,
Same thing for this ear. Trying to get it out in one go. You've got a large ribbon of dead skin that's just hanging out of the ear.
Yeah, I can feel it, yes.
Can wrap a present with that. Wow.
Oh, goodness me. That's absolutely horrendous.
Stuck to my glove. I think there's a bit more in there. Just wriggling it out for you.
Yeah?
Another huge chunk there. That's a lot.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, so I've been putting oil in them for about 10 days now.
It has helped, certainly. That's all cleared. How are you feeling?
Relieved.
You seem it as well.
Yeah, because the thing is, it's been creating a tension within inside me because I haven't been hearing properly, and it's been affecting me a little bit, you know. And God, I can hear again.
Hearing's restored.
Oh,
Now I'm
good.
pleased we can get that out for you. Yeah, you should
Yeah.
feel a lot better now.
Is this device used generally, or is this something that you invented yourself?
I've invented this. It's called the iClearScope. So myself and my colleagues at Clearwax developed this endoscope.
Yes.
And we work with our colleagues as a company called Endoscope Eye, who developed the app and the adapter for us. But yeah, we manufacture this. We've designed it. Spent about 18 months research and development, getting the right parameters. And so
I mean, if I'd have gone to my doctors and they had syringed my ear, they wouldn't have got that much wax out, would they?
they would have got some of it out. I think the skin would have been hard.
Yes.
Because a lot of it is dead skin. It came out in ribbons.
Yes.
But syringing, or irrigation as they call it, can be effective if it's performed well.
Yes.
But it also depends on the type of wax. If it's hard wax, they won't be able to flush that out.
No.
If they apply too much pressure, it can force the wax further in, and it can even perforate the eardrum.
Yeah.
And they're using water, and the water can
Yes.
cause infection in the ears. So
Alright.
a lot of GPs no longer perform irrigation
No.
in the ears for that reason. This is, again, we're extracting, we're not flushing, we're extracting
But,
the
I
wax, so
mean,
it's far safer.
When I went